the classic Volkswagen Beetle. A car that's more than just a car, it's a legend on four wheels, but even legends deserve a little extra flair. Today we're counting down the top 7 accessories that make any classic Volkswagen Beetle stand out. White wall tires. First up, those iconic white wall tires. These babies don't just make your Beetle look classy, they transport you right back to the golden age of the open road. Whether you're cruising through town or hitting the highway, white walls add a touch of vintage coolness that just can't be beat. Stone gravel guards. Next, we've got stone gravel guards. Simple but effective, these polished beauties keep your paint job safe from all that kicked up gravel and dirt. Plus, let's be honest, they add a bit of sparkle down there, like the Beetle's own version of jewelry. Roof rack. Coming in at number 3, the roof rack. Every Beetle enthusiast knows the roof rack isn't just practical, it's a style statement. Pop a couple of vintage suitcases or a surfboard up there, and suddenly you're not just driving a Beetle, you're living a Beetle lifestyle. Parcel shelf under the dash. Now here's a cozy little touch, the parcel shelf under the dash. It's like a glove box, but way cooler. Perfect for stashing the essentials, whether that's your sunglasses, a retro map, or maybe even a road snack. You know, just the things every classic road trip needs. Mud flaps. These aren't just any mud flaps. These are Volkswagen branded, which means they're as classic as the car itself. They keep your Beetle clean and give the car an extra touch of that vintage charm. And let's be honest, what's cooler than a Beetle showing off the Volkswagen logo, even on its mud flaps? Rear quarter pop-out windows. Next up, rear quarter pop-out windows. These windows are the unsung heroes of cool summer drives. They bring in just the right breeze when you're out for a long, warm cruise, and they're a unique touch that not many cars have anymore. The rare coffee maker. And finally, the rarest of the rare, the Beetle coffee maker. Yes, you heard that right. A coffee maker, right there in your car. Talk about keeping you fueled up. They don't make them like this anymore, folks. With this gem, you're not just driving a classics. You're sipping a cup of history. So there you have it, the top 7 classic Volkswagen Beetle accessories. From stylish white walls to a coffee maker on the go, these add-ons don't just make your Beetle look good, they make driving a classic Beetle an experience. Which accessory is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more vintage Beetle love. Because driving a Beetle isn't just about getting from point A to B. It's about enjoying every mile in between.